I'm not even posted.
Like you're my boss.
I beg.
Hey guys, how have you been? I am currently in Lagos. It's been crazy because I've been trying to get this mic work and I feel like I haven't really been, you know, vlogging as much as I should. I don't know, sometimes I just lose the gig and then all of a sudden it comes back. This whole thing I'm doing is just to test this microphone and I really hope that it's working. How have you guys been? Talk to me. A lot of things have happened. Like, can you guys see? Let me check that this microphone is working because I don't want a headache. So guys, the microphone is working. I don't know how to contain my joy right now because what? I've been struggling literally. All I just needed to do was to plug it, like just allow it charge for a bit, right? But anyhow, how have you guys been? I've just been stuck at home here with family and all the stuff. So I was going to show you guys the microblading. Closer look. See the progress of my microblading. This is day 10 of my brows and I don't think it's that bad.